Don't you find it frustrating trying to get tea out of the boxes inside those cabinets? Well, I do at least, and which is why I built the tea dispenser. Very simple design. You get your cute little mug, you then push it to the back of the dispenser. See, nothing inside, by the way. Slide it to the back, slide it forward, just like that. One single tea bag. Each of these containers can hold up to about 20 different tea bags, which means you get to save seconds off making tea every day. And then you might be saying, Sean, why don't you just stack your teas better? Two things. One, shut up, your mother buys your mega blocks instead of Lego. And two, yes, that is a genuine solution, but I felt like doing this instead because it's more fun. And additionally, they're really easy to make and install. And so come with me as I build a third dispenser, because it turns out I actually have 3 sets of teas, not 2. So let's go through the handful of steps to build your own tea dispenser. First of all, 3D printer. Print yourself off one of the actual component pieces, all in one chunk like such. I'm gonna put this close to the microphone so you can hear the snaps as they come off the board. Ooh. This is gonna be the last one. Ooh, nice little peel there. Then do some really light sanding just to make sure everything's nice and flush. Screw in the M4 bolts. I'm feeling very lazy with this. Assemble all your pieces. There you go. Then just loop some rubber bands over the top. Now you have spring loaded. Then install your base plate. And then finally, slide it into place. Ta-da! Now I know this design isn't here really to change the world. Realistically, this is a solution to a problem that doesn't really exist, but for me it proves that point that any problem can have an engineered solution. Now, if I want to have a green tea in the morning, simply just push back. If I want to have a morning tea, or if I just want a chamomile. Almost had all 3 working perfectly, but close enough. Now I will be putting the designs for these ones up on Patreon, but under the free section. This one's not exactly changing the world, so it's kind of more of a fun project. If you want to become a supporter of Engineering Dads though, we would really appreciate that as well. Anyways, see you in the next one.